yeah. Damn, quarantine and chill with me. Can you quarantine and chill with me? Quarantine and chill with me. Can you save me from myself?
Hi all, hope everyone is doing well today. Hope you guys are staying safe, all right? So today I'm just showing you guys how I achieved this look right here, okay? It is a very well requested video or tutorial or whatever. You guys want to know how I achieved that faux bang with faux locks. So first things first, your girl has to basically get her tea going. I was trying to choose between coffee or tea, but I ended up choosing tea, some vanilla chai tea. I needed something hot for my throat. You're supposed to drink water first thing in the morning, but y'all, I just went ahead with my tea and got a large tea actually. So yeah, I'm double caffeinated right now. So I'm just undoing this, you guys. I also slept like this with this head wrap, but I plan on wearing my head wrap all day today. Quarantine, I just want to look and feel cute and, you know, myself all at the same time. Y'all do know my hair is cut all the way around. I recently broke quarantine and got my hair cut by my barber, aka my cousin. Just showing y'all a little footage from that. Y'all already know how I achieved my jumbo or medium jumbo faux locks. There are videos on my channel, okay? Channel. There are videos on my channel showing you guys how I achieved my faux locks. Y'all already know what the business is with that. There will be links in the description box linking you to the style, how to achieve them, all of that. There's links, okay? Look for them. Do not ask me for that link. Go on my channel or click the link in my description box or the comment section, okay? I can show you exactly how I achieved the faux locks. But today, we are pretty much showing you how to achieve that faux bang. That's what I call it, a fake bang with the faux locks, okay? So just showing you the length of my locks here before I even get started. You're gonna want some type of headband of some sort, a strap or a hair tie that stretches. This is really a headband that I couldn't have. And you're also gonna want a head wrap of some sort. This is just a scarf, a winter scarf that I got from Charlotte Russe, or probably Walmart, I think a long time ago. So more tea, yay. All right, so pretty much, y'all, it's the same concept if you have a whole head of hair. I mean, there's different ways you could do this, but this is how I do mine. So you just take your locks in your hands and just wrap it around. And we are focusing on creating that bang, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. You're basically using the very ends of your locks to achieve a bang. It's that simple. So I'm pretty much getting things situated here, trying to see how long I want my bangs to be before I get the headband. And there's the headband. And just take your time and double knot that to the back, like so.
How lot it is, how lot of that. I know I made a promise, but I take it back. On the corner with your niggas.
After you do that, you just kind of want to situate your bun however you want. This is just in case you're not, you know, doing the head wrap part. You're not going to wear the head wrap around it and you just want to wear your hair like, you know, with just your locks. Then you're going to want to situate your bun to look appealing to your eye, you know. So do a little tucking and just situating the bang, pulling the locks in and out, tucking the locks, whatever it is you need to do to accomplish the look that you are going for, okay?
Feel me, but I'm over it. Over it. I'm over it. After catching feelings, and I know you ain't gon' feel me, but I'm over it. Out in your pockets, going through your phone, seeing who you're texting, saying that I'm wrong. I know it ain't me. I know it ain't me. I ain't tryna keep what I don't need.
So now we have our head wrap here. So I'm just basically doing a simple knot in the front, okay? And then once you get it tied in the very front, make sure it is tight enough, but not too tight, because this will give you a headache if it's too tight. Then you want to go ahead and take the 2 pieces that you have in your hand and tie it one time in the back. Okay, and then after you do that, it's pretty simple from there. You will have some slots on the side of the head wrap where you can just tuck. Okay, that's the name of the game, tucking, when it comes to a perfect head wrap. Okay, like I said, this is pretty easy to sleep in as well. I prefer to sleep with this to have my long locks out of the way. Also, when I shower, I do the same. So yeah, that's the look, you guys. Y'all have been asking each time I do wear my medium jumbo faux locks and I end up doing this style. Y'all want to know how you get the bangs. So here it is. That is it. But do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me, please. If you have not, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Bye, guys.
Boy, you can tell that shit bad. I'm over it. I know it ain't me. I know it ain't me. I do catch you feeling, and I know you ain't gon' feel me, but I'm over it.